Travis here with Educating Houston. Do me a favor, hit the like button on this video right now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Share this video, comment below. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about and bring people on my channel to discuss. Now, as you guys have seen, I'm all about educating, okay? So today we're gonna talk about top 5 things you need to make money in real estate. Now, my background is I've been a loan officer for roughly 19 years, a realtor for about 9 years, and a TREC CE teacher going into 3 years, okay? So I'm gonna get started right now and cover it as quickly as possible. The number one thing I'm gonna cover is education. Now, one of the most important things as far as making money in real estate is educating yourself on how it works. Do not stop learning. Trust yourself more than anyone else, okay? So having said that, I think it's very, very important also to recon properties, recon loans, grants, programs, interest rates, and payments, okay? So definitely continue to educate yourself. Remember this, knowledge is power. Typically, whoever knows the most is gonna have the most knowledge, have the most value, make the most money. So remember that, continue to learn, and if you're not making money right away, that's okay, but continue to strengthen yourself through education. Here's the second thing, and it's a segue from education. The number 2 thing I think you need to be successful and make money in real estate is get your licensing. For many, many reasons, you don't wanna get lazy, you wanna stay proactive, get your licensing, not only to avoid fees, but you get to make several thousands of dollars in commission, okay? So by getting your license, you not only can avoid fee, but you can make that money yourself. And the most important thing though is it gives you access to data and to knowledge of what's really happening in the housing market or even the mortgage market, whatever your licensing is, okay? So you're gonna wanna do that. Now here's a scenario. If you're a realtor and you purchase a house, a lot of times you can use your commission as the down payment for a house. So another advantage of having a license like a realtor license when financing a home and purchasing it is you can use, typically it's 3% of your commission for the down payment. So with the 3% going towards the down payment and the seller potentially paying closing costs, you can usually get into a home for as little as 2%, counting closing costs, if you have your proper licensing. Something to consider, right? Number 3, relationships, okay? Your relationships are part of your success. Someone taught me at an early age, what is more important than money is the people that you know. So always make sure to take care of your people, let them know you appreciate them, stay loyal, keep them fresh, and collaborate, okay? So your relationships are important. Go networking. Learn what's going on. If you want to go and learn how to rent homes, owner financing, things like that, there are several classes at market centers and things like that that you can go to and you can essentially meet people. And now the advantage of these relationships is some of these people will teach you everything they know, right? And a lot of times you can get jobs with them, especially if you're new in real estate, if you're new in mortgage. The relationships you build can lead you into your next employment opportunity. Remember that, okay? The people are more important than the money. Always relationships. Here's the 4th thing that I think you need to be successful and make money in real estate, okay? Invest in opportunity, okay? Not emotion. Now, it's really important that I'm clear on this. Procrastinating and being lazy and not being proactive is not good. It's very expensive. So in real estate, you must be proactive, okay? You must decide you wanna make money. Now, here's what I mean. You don't necessarily, now after you're educating yourself, after you get your licensing, after you're meeting people, you're gonna have more knowledge. You're gonna know what a good deal is versus a bad deal. But the most important thing is not to get desperate and jump in something that's not good. My own situation right now, I'm renting. I can own a home, but I'm renting right now because I don't feel comfortable buying a home in a primary residence in this market. I feel like there's gonna be some stability, a possible loss of equity, so I'm renting. So again, invest in opportunity, not emotion. Now, here's the important thing, y'all. I'm just giving you my point of view, and I'm kind of doing just the top 5 things that I think you need to make money in real estate. I'm not going into like the intimacies of how to invest in primary residence and things like that. But my number 5 thing, and I love this, I absolutely love credit. I've come from bankruptcy, foreclosure, repo, and rebuilt my credit. So I understand the value of credit, which is the fifth thing. Leverage your credit, okay? A lot of investors and a lot of people can make money off of other people's money. It's important to note though, not emotionally, not spending money wastefully, but being focused and goal-oriented and using your credit to your advantage, okay? So leverage your credit. Here's an example. If you have a primary residence, instead of selling it, turn it into a rental home. If you want to do a rental home, the reason is primary residence has a better credit, typically with interest rates and payment and terms than it does for an investment property. So a lot of times you could turn your primary residence into a rental and then step up, okay? So remember that, leverage your credit, do not ruin your credit, no wasteful spending. If you're gonna use a credit card, make sure you pay it off before it bills, and make sure you're only using your credit card to get cash back, okay? Credit card debt is horrible. Now, you guys, again, thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm gonna do some weekly videos. Y'all just tag along with me, copy what I'm doing, tell me what I could do better, and just collaborate. I wanna know what you guys think the top things are you need to do to make money in real estate. You guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.